Here's how to set up and use the O-KAM Pro app step by step. Perfect if you're setting it up for the first time. If you're new to O-KAM Pro, don't worry. Just follow along and you'll have your camera connected in a few minutes. First, open the App Store or Google Play on your phone and search for O-KAM Pro. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After that, open the app. If you're a new user, tap Register Now. Enter your email address, select your region, and agree to the user terms. Then tap Get Verification Code, check your email, and enter the code to complete your registration. If you already have an account, you can simply log in instead. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add your camera. Tap the plus icon to begin. You'll see two options: scan QR code or connect wirelessly. Start by choosing the QR code option. Locate the QR code on your camera device and scan it using your phone. After scanning, listen for a prompt tone from the camera, then tap Next to continue. If the QR code doesn't scan, you can choose the wireless connection option instead. Make sure your camera is in pairing mode. You should see a flashing light or hear a voice prompt saying it's ready for Wi-Fi setup. If not, press and hold the Reset button on your camera for about 5 seconds to restart the setup process. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz network, since most cameras don't support 5 GHz. After entering your details, a QR code will appear on your phone screen. Hold your camera about 6 to 8 inches away from the screen and let it scan the code. Wait for a beep sound. This means the camera is connecting. Once the connection is successful, you'll be asked to name your camera. Choose a name that's easy to recognize. Then tap Finish. After that, you should see the live camera feed directly on your screen. And that's it. Your O-KAM Pro camera is now fully set up and ready to use. If this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. And if you run into any issues, drop a comment. I'll be happy to help.